Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of James Bond Bitcoin Live 0056. Hashtag rich. So, this episode here, I want to talk about a few things. How uh, we could we could be misled by following the wrong person. And so, this is my meme today. There's a lot of QR codes on here. Go ahead and check them out. Some of them are private keys. Some of them are just text. Others are links to other website. Anyways, have fun. So let me read the meme or the mime or the mine or the meme today. Um, I'm winning is the meme today, and apparently uh, I've been looking at social media recently, and there's a huge movement being built for the hashtag no2x. And apparently some hats are being made and apparels are being done. Well, how about this? I have here a picture of someone who has a top hat, and that top hat says hashtag yes2x. I'm winning. And so um, you have to be careful who you follow. You shouldn't follow another person's heart. You should follow your own heart. So beware of the rich man's heart, and also beware of the rich bald man's heart. Now, the reason I say bald man is because apparently there's a lot of men involved in cryptocurrencies. And for one reason or another, they either shave their heads or they're bald. A lot of them. There's a lot. Some even wear a toupee. My point is, follow your own heart. You know, have believe in yourself. Have some confidence in yourself and the things that you do. If you're in this space for a reason, you know, follow your reasons. So in the notes section, I have a wonderful song from the Beatles. It's called "I, Me, Mine." It was suggested to me by Brian earlier today, so I put it into the notes section. I also have a picture of this meme as well. So I hope you all enjoy it. It's part of the treasure hunt. And no matter what, I'm winning. All right. So there you have it. And so today, I like to talk a little bit about, the regulations that are going around all over the world. Um, as the noose tightens on regulation, choking it to death. And it's not going to choke it to death for the people who actually have something to offer. It's just going to choke it to death for the people who have nothing to offer and expect all the money in return. They offer you nothing, and they want money. Matter of fact, I'll give you an example. I mean, Kick. I know I bring this up, and that's just an example, but there are many just like Kick. Kick is the messaging app that I told you about, where it's basically used for the sex trade. And apparently, they had their ICO. I guess a lot of people had anticipations that it would be listed on exchanges. Unfortunately, they didn't realize what they were really doing were basically buying Chuck E. Cheese tokens, or Kens as they're called, to be used in the app of the messaging app called Ken or Kick. I'm sorry, um, as an in-app payment system. But that system hasn't been built yet. That's what the ICO was, to basically take your money and probably waste it or keep that company alive just for a little bit longer. A lot of those things are going to happen. And as the news tightens on those type of ICOs, what you're going to have is people are going to go back to altcoining, pump and dumping, forking, okay, which is basically what this hashtag yes2x is. You're going to get, and I shared this meme before, I'm going to share it again, but you're going to get a lot of this stuff. You're going to get the used car coin and the used car coin salesman coming back selling their used car coin. And supposedly it's going to be mined. If it's a new token, a new altcoin being created, it's going to be mined fairly. Kind of reminds me of Bcash. It's going to be mined fairly because they're going to go to a GPU sort of setup, which ironically probably they already have a bunch of GPUs set up. You know, whoever's creating B Gold is probably already has a warehouse full of GPUs ready to go, probably already mining right now. Apparently, that's already has a price, and so you got some mining probably already going on, and you know, whoever is creating this B Gold is probably suckering you in. So watch out for this person as well, the used car coin salesman. Remember him? Again, bald. You know. Anyways, watch out for this person too. But like I said, be careful who you follow, who you listen to. If anything, you should be following and listening to is yourself, and you should be following your own heart. What does your heart tell you to do? So, anyways, my 10 minutes are almost up. My point was ICOs are going to basically dwindle to the point where you might have actually real companies doing ICOs, like raising money. And that's all they're going to be doing. They're going to be raising money. They're not going to offer you anything other than a token of appreciation. And I don't see a lot of people going to jump into that because the only reason why they bought into the ICO was in anticipation of that token being listed on exchanges, which I don't think that's going to be happening. So you know, the reason why you participate in the ICO is because you really want to see a company get kickstarted in a way that allows them to raise money easier. So that's the first thing, but that's going to dwindle down unless you feel charitable and you feel like giving away your money. You know, that's, you know, still doable. So the altcoin market is probably going to come back. So all the altcoins that are out there, or any new altcoins, are going to be mined. Or here's another one: staking coins. Those are going to probably be very fashionable. Of course, if you know anything about staking coins, it's a losing proposition unless you are an early, very early investor. Anybody else coming after that, you're going to be at the bottom of the pyramid. You're going to be growing. You're going to be pushing the pyramid up higher, but you're going to be on the bottom, and you need more suckers to come in underneath you. So staking coins is a joke, in my opinion. So that's what I'm saying is beware of the used car coin salesman. That's just around the corner as soon as the ICO market starts to get choked out. Anyways, my 10 minutes are up. Feel free to scan the QR codes, see where it takes you. It'd be nice. I think one of them is actually an encrypted private key, and it's up to you to decode it, decrypt it. The rest may be links to other websites or YouTube channels, or maybe even just plain text for you to read. You might want to use a barcode scanner for those. Anyways, this concludes this episode. Feel free to like, dislike, leave a comment, or even leave a comment after the video, after the live stream. Um, anyways, leave a comment after the live stream, or even do a video response. Until next time, stay tuned. Bye.